Once upon a time, there was a beautiful village. It was a very abundant village. Today is the day of paddy harvesting. The only farmer in the village that harvests paddy is sick. Now what can be done? The paddy needs to be harvested before the rain. In the middle of such a situation, this happened.
Here, Siripala, my elder daughter knows how to use the tractor to harvest the paddy. I will ask her to come.
Here, brother, when did women do work like paddy harvesting? Women are there to bring us food, not to do heavy work like this.
Ask her to come because I am saying so. You don't have to believe what I am saying. See what the work begins.
Okay. Tell her to come. This time we won't get to eat rice, but bad grains. Oh, look! The paddy field is being harvested so efficiently. She is doing the work very well, huh?
Oh, yes. She is doing it better than Ukku-san. I thought only men can do such work. What a girl, huh?
See, Siripala, not only men, but heavy machinery work should not be divided according to the gender. What is required is the necessary skills. We will provide it, regardless of their gender.
I understand, brother. This is the good example for us all.
This message was brought to you from Smallholder Agribusiness Partnership Program.